I'm Lee. How are you today?
Very good, thank you.
Is this your first time at Lali Film Festival?
It actually is, and I'm very excited to be here. I just met Mr. Olmos on the carpet, took a picture with him, so we're very excited.
And tell us about your film today, any films that you're promoting?
We have a film tomorrow night playing at 9 o'clock. It's called Kill the Dictator. It was shot entirely in the Dominican Republic. Very excited to be here for that. And while I was there, I was fortunate enough to stay in the hotel that Trujillo built, and it's also where Godfather filmed the wonderful birthday scene. And so that's a nice little piece of history that I was able to partake in.
And you play JFK, right?
Yes, I do.
And you're the go-to guy for Hollywood to play JFK, I hear.
Well, I'm very flattered, thank you. I've been lucky enough to play him 4 times.
Okay, well, thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
Good to meet you.
Thank you.